Automate repeat purchase rate tracking with n8n. Hey everyone, welcome back to another AI automation tutorial. In this video, we're going to automate repeat purchase rate tracking using n8n, the most powerful no-code AI automation tool for business workflow. If you run an e-commerce store or subscription service, knowing how many of your customers buy again is essential. Today we'll build a no-code workflow that pulls your customer order from Airtable, calculates your repeat buyers, exports the metrics into Google Sheet, and send you a clean summary email all on autopilot. Let's get started, guys. We'll start with a cron trigger node. This tells n8n when to execute your automation. You can set it to run daily or once a week, for example, every morning at 9 a.m. The cron trigger is the heartbeat of any AI automation workflow. Once set, it ensures your repeat purchase report run consistently without any manual effort. Once set up, endless automation. That's the power of no code. Now let's bring in our order date. Add an Airtable node and set the operation to list. Choose your orders table, which contains customer data like customer email, order date, and order ID. When you run this node, n8n automatically fetches all your orders records. You can filter it by date, for example, last 30 days, or fetch all time data to get a complete pictures of repeat buyers. With n8n no-code AI automation, this entire data collection step happens automatically every cycle. Now that you have the data, it's time to calculate how many times each customer purchased. Add an aggregate node and choose customer email as the group filed. For the aggregation, count the number of orders ID per customer. This gives you a total number of purchases for each user. Next, add a set node to calculate whether that customer is a repeat buyer. You can create a new field, for example, a repeat customer, and the value JSON order count more than one, yes. This simple logic instantly identifies repeat customer, all no code. This step replaces hours of spreadsheet work with one elegant AI automation workflow. Once you know how many customers bought again, we can calculate the overall repeat purchase rate. Add another aggregate node to count total number of customers, number of repeat customers, those marked with yes. Then create a set node to calculate the percentage. Repeat rate equal with JSON repeat customer, JSON total customer, and 10%. You can round it using math.round for a clean result. Then this gives you a real-time loyalty metric automatically updated with each automation run. After that, export the data into Google Sheet node. Add the Google Sheet node, connect your account and select your dashboard sheet. For example, repeat rate tracker. Use the append operation to add the latest rate each time the workflows runs. You can include the date, total customer, repeat customer, and repeat rate columns. This automatically creates a performance log over time. This is perfect for chart or visual dashboard. With no code AI automation, these steps give you a living, breathing metric dashboard that updates itself. Finally, let's send the summary email. Add an email send node. Connect your SMTP credential and write a subject line like Weekly Repeat Purchase Rate Report, automated by n8n. In this message body, write something like your latest repeat purchase rate is JSON repeat rate, JSON total customer, and JSON repeat customer. Each week, this email keeps you or your team informed with zero manual reporting. Okay. After that, click the execute workflow. Watch your notes light up green. Check your Google Sheet, data's there. Check your email, the report has arrived. Once everything working perfectly, set the workflow to active. That's it, you just build a complete repeat purchase rate tracking system powered by n8n, NoCode and AI automation. Congratulations, you now have a fully automated loyalty tracker that updates itself forever. If you enjoyed this AI automation tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe and comment below which node code workflow you want me to automate next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next n8n automation tutorial. Bye bye guys.